Good evening, children. Welcome to Akshara IIT Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Welcome to today's class. Right. So we are in exercise 2, right? Based on the transformation of quadratic equations. That means we learn some formulas. So based on that, we are going to solve some problems. Okay, na? Yeah. Let us see the problems. So I think we have already completed 6 problems. I think so. Right. Now 7th problem. If alpha and beta are roots of the quadratic equation, what is the quadratic equation here? X square plus 2x plus 3 equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Am I right? And then the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha square, beta square. That means if alpha, beta are roots of this quadratic equation, what is the quadratic equation which is having the roots as alpha square and beta square? Clear? Right. So we learn that if alpha square, beta square are roots, then the quadratic equation is f of square root of x equals to 0. Where f of x is a quadratic equation like general form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then alpha square beta square will be the roots of f of square root of x equals to 0. Same way, alpha cube beta cube are roots of f of cube root of x, because square root both are inverse operations. Square root both are inverse operations. Cube root both are inverse operations. Like alpha plus k, beta plus k are roots. Then what is the quadratic equation? F of x minus k equals to 0. Because plus k, inverse operation is minus k. Am I right? Yeah. Now we need to find out the value of f of square root of x. F of square root of x. That means in the place of x, we need to substitute root x. Let us see that. In the place of x, first term is x square. So it is nothing but root x whole square plus 2 into x. 2 into x, in the place of x, we need to write root x plus 3 equals to 0. Plus 3 equals to 0. Let us see that. Square root of x is nothing but square and root cancel. The value is x. And I am writing the plus 3 first. X plus 3 equal to plus 2 root 2. I am going to transpose that side. It will be minus 2 root x. Minus 2 root x. But we need a quadratic equation in the form of like ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. But here there is no x square term. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Then it will be x plus 3 whole square equal to minus 2 root x whole square. Now just identify. X plus 3 whole square is in the form of which form? Very good. A plus b whole square form. A plus b whole square form. What is the a plus b whole square formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So let me expand such a way. A square means x square plus b square. B value 3, 3 square value is 9. 2ab. 2 into x into 3. Now minus 2 whole square is 4. And root x whole square is x. Okay, na? Yeah, let us simplify this. X square plus 9. 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into x, 6x. Now plus 4x, bring this side, minus 4x equals to 0. Now simplify this. X square. 6x minus 4x is 2x. Plus 9 equals to 0. So if alpha comma beta are roots of the x square plus 2x plus 3 equal to 0, then alpha square plus beta square are roots of x square plus 2x plus 9 equals to 0. This is our required answer. Second, x square plus 2x plus 9 equals to 0. Okay. We are applying root x. In transformations equations we have decided, we have learned that alpha square beta square are roots, then f of root x is our required quadratic equation. Let us see to the next question. I think 6th we already completed, yeah. 8th question. Now here what is the formula for this? Alpha beta roots of f of x. Then 1 by alpha, 1 by beta are roots of 1 by alpha plus 1 by alpha comma 1 by beta are roots of, I will say f of 1 by x. F of 1 by x. See the given question. If alpha beta are roots of the quadratic equation 9x square plus 6x plus 1 equal to 0, then the equation of the roots 1 by alpha, 1 by beta. By using this, see alpha beta roots of f of x, then 1 by alpha, 1 by beta are roots of f of 1 by x. Now let us take the given equation as f of x. What is f of x here? 9x square plus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. But we want the answer for 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. Now substitute in the place of x, we need to substitute 1 by x, right? 9 into x square, in the place of x square I should use 1 by x whole square. Same way 6 into x, 6x in the place of 6 into 1 by x plus 1 equal to 0. When you simplify this equation, our required answer will come. Okay, na? Yeah, let us see. Square of 1. 1 square means 1 into 1, 1 only. Denominator, square of x. Here x is there, no? X square. So 9 by x square plus 6 into 1, 6 by x plus 1 equals to 0. While you are observing the denominators, what are the denominators we have? X square, x square. The LCM of x and x square is, or else you can directly multiply by x square both sides. Multiply by x square both sides. That means 9x square by x square. First term I am multiplying with, x square, and second term also multiply with x square, third term also multiply with x square, and RHS also multiply with x square. Okay, na? X square cancel here 9. X square cancel. X square is nothing but x into x. X square means x into x. So 1x we can cancel. One more x will be remain. 6x. 1 into x square means x square equal to 0. Done. Write in a order. X square plus 6x plus 9 equals to 0. So simply, while you are observing these two equations, clearly check the position of the constant term, x square term. That means x square coefficient, constant term only changes. See, this 9 came here, this 1 came here. 1 into x square, 9 into 1, 9. Middle term is same. Okay, na? This is the process to identify. So these are square numbers. Consider as a square. So x square plus 6x plus 9 means third. Third option is our answer. Okay? Next, if you finish it, we'll go to the next problem. Just to remember the transformations, what are the points we have discussed? And before the transformations, we have discussed about the properties like a plus b plus c equals to 0. 1 and c by a are roots. A minus b plus c equals to 0. Minus 1 minus c by a are roots. Got it? Yeah. Next. Ninth question. Equation whose roots are numerically equal but opposite in sign. That means if you take one of the root is alpha, then the second root will be minus alpha. That means numerically equal but opposite in sign. If you take one is alpha, second one will be minus alpha. Am I right? Okay. So the equation whose roots are numerically equal but opposite in sign. That means both roots here we have discussing. We should discuss about the both of the roots. Here not mentioned about one of the root is numerically equal to another one. But here discussing about roots. That means both roots we should take. Suppose alpha beta are roots. Numerically equal opposite in side means minus alpha minus beta. This is the meaning of the question. Roots are, both roots are mentioning, not about one root. So previously I have said that alpha minus alpha. This is work out when we are discussing about one of the root is numerically equal to other and opposite in sign means we have to consider like this. But here given that roots are numerically equal but opposite in symbols. Alpha beta minus beta we should take. So condition, alpha beta roots f of x equal to 0. Minus alpha minus beta roots f of minus x equal to 0. Okay, na? What is f of x here? That means given quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. This is given f of x value. But our required answer is f of minus x value. F of minus x. F of minus x means in the place of x we need to substitute minus x. Am I right? In the place of x we need to substitute minus x. So 2x square, that means 2 into minus x whole square minus 3x. 3x means 3 into x. 3 into minus x minus 2 equal to 0. This is our equation. Simplify this. Minus x whole square plus x whole square both are same because when you have the exponent is in even power, negative terms also become positive terms. So minus x whole square means x square. Minus into minus, minus 3 into minus x plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Answer is 1. 2x square plus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, no? Roots and opposite in sign. Yeah, 10th question. What is that equation? X square plus bx plus c equals to 0. X square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the first equation, right? Now, second equation. X square plus cx plus b equals to 0. Have common root, then we need to find out the value of b plus c. Common root, that means root or 0, we have discussed in an earlier chapter, that means earlier exercises, root or zeros both are same, right? That means when you substitute in the given equation, the value, the entire quadratic equation becomes 0, then the value is called root of the quadratic equation. That means, for example, if you substitute 1 here, this entire equation is 0, then 1 is called root of this quadratic equation. Okay, na? But here b and c are unknown terms. In case they are replaced by the numericals, that means numbers. When you substitute some of the values in that, answer will be 0. That value we are considering as root of the quadratic equation or 0 of the quadratic equation. But here given that common root, that means here if you take one of the root is a, here also one of the root will be a. Okay, na? Now let us just check it. You will understand clearly that if you substitute 1, for example, substitute 1 in the place of x, what is the value here? 1 square plus b into 1 plus c equal to 0. 1 square value how much? 1 only. B into 1 b plus c equals to 0. When you comparing here, same 1 here, 1 square plus c into 1 plus b is equal to 0. 1 plus c plus b equal to 0. Now identify these two. Will give the same answer, right? So we can take that 1 is a common factor for both of them. 1 is a common factor for both of them. Okay, na? If you take 0, it will be equal or not, we cannot decide. But 1 is giving the same answers. See. So 1 is the common root. So from this we can write plus 1 transpose this side becomes minus 1. Answer option is 3. So multiple choice questions here. Right, if alpha, beta are roots of x square plus 2x plus 1, x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Then the quadratic equation with the roots of 4 alpha into 4 beta. 4 alpha comma 4 beta. Okay, na? Check once. How to do this? Alpha, beta, roots, f of x is a required answer, a required quadratic equation. Next, alpha, beta are roots of f of x, minus alpha, minus beta are roots of f of minus x. That means when you have the positive symbols, we are taking negatives. Negatives means positives. Here 4 is multiplying, right? Then the required for quadratic equation will be f of x by 4 equals to 0. That means here 4 is multiplied. When you are taking into the inverse operation, it will be 1 by 4. Okay, na? 4 reciprocal is 1 by 4. So our required option, our required quadratic equation is f of x by 4. F of x by 4. Let us substitute here. In the place of x, substitute x by 4 whole square plus 2 into x. That means 2 into x by 4 plus 1 equal to 0. Simplify this. Squaring of x, x square. Square of 4. 4 4s are 16. Okay, na? This is 2x by 4. 2x by 4 plus 1 equal to 0. So highest denominator is 16. Let us multiply both sides with 16. Then it will be 16 into x square by 16. 16 into 2x by 4. 16 into 1 equal to 0. Okay, na? 16 cancel. X square term will be remains. 4 table in 16 4 times. 4 into 2x 8x. 16 ones are 60. This is our required answer. X square plus 8x plus 16 equals to 0. Okay, na? Yeah, please note it. Shall I go to the next question? Yeah. Let us see the next problem. Same like this. Like the previous problem, alpha, beta are roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus x plus 5 equals to 0. Let us take this f of x. Okay, na? And what is the quadratic equation having the roots of alpha by 3 beta by 3. Here 3 is dividing, then what is our required quadratic equation? Very good. F of 3x inverse operation of 1 by 3 or 1 by 3 reciprocal 3. That means in the place of x we have to substitute 3x. So 2 into, in the place of x square, 3x whole square plus only x, that means 3x plus 5 equals to 0. That implies 2 into. So 3x whole square. 3x whole square means 3x into 3x. That means 3 into 3, 9. X into x, x square, 9x square plus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. Now 9 into 2, 18. So 18x square plus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. Done. Option first, option 1. 18x square plus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. Check. Yeah, let us go to the next problem. Yeah, the equation whose roots are greater by 1, for example, alpha, beta are roots. Then we need to find out the equation of the roots greater by 1. That means alpha plus 1, beta plus 1. Alpha, beta are roots of the quadratic equation f of x equal to 0. Then alpha plus 1, beta plus 1 are roots of the quadratic equation f of x plus 1 equal to 0. Am I right? No. F of x minus 1 equals to 0. For plus 1, inverse operation is minus 1. Okay, no? F of x minus 1 equals to 0. So what is the required equation here? 2x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Substitute the value. That means in the place of x we need to write x minus 1. Right. That implies 2 into, in the place of x, x minus 1 whole square minus 3 into x minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. Now x minus 1 whole square is in the form of which formula? One of the identity, right? A minus b whole square formula. What is a minus b whole square formula? A square plus b square minus 2ab. I am writing directly a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now multiply here, minus 3 into x minus 3x, minus into minus plus, 3 ones are 3, and last plus 1. Now here outside is 2, we have to multiply these 3 terms with the constant 2. 2 into x square, 2x square. Now 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 into 2x, 4x, minus 3x, and 3 plus 1 is 4 equals to 0. Okay, na? Now check the similar terms. What are the similar terms here? Yes, minus 4x, minus 3x. Both are negative symbols, right? Yeah, add with negative symbol. Minus 7x. And here 2x square is there. And 2 plus 4, 6. So our required equation is 2x square minus 7x plus 6 equals to 0. Okay, na? Yeah, please check it. Right. Next problem. One root is equals to square of other root. Here is problem is different. One root is equals to square of other root. That means if you take one of the root is alpha, then it is equals to square of other root. Okay, na? Alpha square. Alpha, alpha square. Okay, na? Right. So these are the roots of x square plus x minus k equals to 0. We need to find out the value of k. We need to find out the value of k. So what is the given quadratic equation? X square plus x minus k equals to 0. Okay, na? Let us see the sum of roots and product of roots concept. Sum of roots, alpha plus alpha square equals to sum of roots of a quadratic equation minus b by a. Product of roots is c by a. So minus b by a minus 1 by 1 means minus 1 only. Okay, product of roots. Alpha into alpha square equal to c by a. In the place of c we have minus k. So this type of model is already given in your previous exercises. So alpha into alpha square alpha cube equal to minus k. From this alpha is equal to minus k whole to the power of 1 by 3. That means cube, if you transpose that side, it will be cube root. Inverse operation of cube is cube root. Am I right? So cube will be cube root. Cube root is nothing but whole to the power of 1 by 3. Whole to the power of 1 by 3. Clear? Now substitute in equation 1. The alpha value you have to consider as minus k whole power 1 by 3. Substitute in the equation 1. What is the equation 1? Alpha plus alpha square equals to minus 1. Substitute alpha value minus k power 1 by 3. Again alpha value minus k power 1 by 3 whole square. That is equals to minus 1. Now simplify this. Minus k power 1 by 3 means minus, because here power is in odd number, so minus will be continuous like that. But here power is even, here minus become plus, it is k power a power m into whole power n formula. A power n whole power n is equal to a power m into n, right? A power m whole power n formula, a power m into n, in the same concept, k power 2 by 3 minus 1. Okay, na? Now cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. Yeah, I am going to write here. Is it visible to you for me? Right, okay, na? Cubing on both sides means it will be a plus b whole cube formula. What is the a plus b whole cube formula? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. That means a cube plus, I am directly writing the formula, b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Equal to minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 only. Minus 1 whole cube means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 3 times, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Okay, na? Now here square, that means cube root cancel, it will be minus k. Here also cube root cancel, that is k square term. Now this value become minus 1 from this. Here minus become plus. 3 into k power 1 by 3, k power 2 by 3. Bases are same. That means we can add the exponents by using the formula a power m into a power n is nothing but a power m plus n. Okay, na? So 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, nothing but 3 by 3. 3 by 3 means 1 only. 3 into k power 1. That is equals to minus 1. Now see, k square minus k plus 3k is plus 2k. Minus 1 transpose this side, plus 1 equal to 0. Now it is in the form of again quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c. Now we need to find the roots of the quadratic equation by using the formula. Okay, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a formula is there, no? Same formula we need to apply. Let us see. K equal to minus b. In the place of b we have 2. In the place of b we have 2. So minus b formula root over b square. That means 2 square value 4 minus 4ac. 4 into a into c. That means 4 minus 1. That will be 0. into 2a. Root over 4 minus 4 is 0. Root over 0 means 0 only. So we are not considering here. Minus 2 by 2. 2 table into 1 time, answer is minus 1. Please note it. Or else this equation we can directly do without the formula also, like factorizing by splitting the middle term. Okay na? Or we have the condition also, we can apply here condition. Say I am writing here. So I think yeah, it is visible. K square plus 2x plus 1. What is the condition? A minus b plus c equal to 0. A value 1, c value 1, 1 plus 1, 2, minus b means minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0. That means a minus b plus c equals to 0 means the condition is minus 1 no, minus c by a are roots of the quadratic equation. Directly you can write minus 1 without solving also. Okay na? Yeah, please note it. We will discuss one more problem, then we will wind up the class. Okay? Right. Next problem. Yeah, alpha, beta are roots of 3x square minus 5x plus 7 equals to 0. Alpha square plus beta square. Your options are not given. But let us find out the value of alpha square plus beta square value. We know the sum of roots, right? What are the sum of roots formulas? Alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. That means minus b value is minus 5 and a value is 3. Okay na? Minus b by a. So let us simplify this. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus into minus plus. This will be 5 by 3. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. That means alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. That means a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now 5 by 3 whole square. 5 square 25, 3 square 9. Now we need to find alpha square plus beta square only. 2 into alpha beta, product of roots, c by a formula. C means 7, a means 3, 7 by 3. 2 into 7 by 3, 2 7s 14, 14 by 3. Now let us transpose that side. 14 by 3 becomes minus 14 by 3. So 25 by 9 minus 14 by 3, 9 LCM. 25 by 9 minus 28 by 3 minus 3 by 9, nothing but minus 1 by 3. This is our answer. Okay na? So we have very less time. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Please note it.